We're gonna be flipping this tray. I got this on a thrifting trip. So we're gonna be using this paper here. Look how pretty that is. This is a, oh, no, I don't know the company's name, but you can find this on TH Decor website. It is the Dreamscape collection that they have. It's not used to put this down. So again, this is already primed. I did use the undercover primer by Paint Pixie and also coconut, what did I say? Cream Puff, I'm sorry, Cream Puff by Paint Pixie. Okay, I'll be using this medium. This is a Pin Art. You can also get that at TH Decor. It's a decoupage varnish and glue. I am going to be using this Silky Shine. So we'll be using that. I'm just going to see where I need this, and we're going to use the water, a little water brush. Okay, so here we go. We've got this on here. I think it's going to look good. So we're going to take a brush. It's got kind of like a hammered look. I think you can see it all the way around that. But y'all, look how pretty that is. Oh, I love it. Let me see something. Okay, I think I'm gonna like that. Okay, so we're gonna use the Paint Pixie 24 karat. 24 karat, look at that gold, it's pretty. Okay, what are we gonna do? I don't know yet. Let me see here. Like this color in here. Okay, so this is a turquoise wax paste metallic. I think it's turquoise. By Pin Art. I'm just gonna, let's just see. So that's what we have so far. Cindy, you like the pearls? I do too. We're gonna add that. So I'm just gonna use my Fabri-Tac here, y'all. I may go in with some, oh, I'm gonna dab it with something else. Tone it down just a bit. What do y'all think? It kind of toned down just a bit. Yeah, I like it a lot better. I may add some more turquoise on there, I'm not sure, but so that's what we've got so far. I think it's pretty. So now we're gonna bling it up, and what we're gonna do first, y'all look, I think I'm gonna put this in the middle. This is pretty. That for sure, but we need one here. I think we're gonna add this one. Look how pretty that is. So this is a brooch, and for you newbies, you can just take that off of there. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit of B7000 on here. So, let me show you. So, right here is where we're going to put some of the amber rhinestones. I think that'll look good. And then we're going to do a little bit of clear rhinestones right right here. So I'm going to use the amber rhinestones. Okay, so this is our picker pen, y'all. Got the wax tip on the bottom, and then you got your little tip there, metal tip, to move your rhinestones around. So we're going to use our B7000. So we got our little rhinestones right here on this side. We're going to diamond dust it. Okay, we'll diamond dust it. Okay, so this is diamond dust for those that don't know. I got this on Amazon. We're going to do some Mod Podge on that one. Why? I don't know. Just because I want a smaller brush. I think that'll work. Okay, let's diamond dust this real quick and see what that. Okay, it's cloudy, but it's gonna look pretty with that diamond dust on there. So I'm gonna continue on the rhinestones on this bottle, and then I'll probably do a little bit more down here, rhinestones, and maybe up here on this top part right here. I'm gonna bling it all out, y'all. So anyway, I'm not gonna keep you, but that's the gist of what we're gonna do.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.